for Split. Nah, come on, make some noise, man. Give my man some love, yo. There you go.
Check. Yo, I'd like to thank PH, Doc, Al, everybody who's involved in putting this together tonight. Peace to everyone in the building. I go by Split Personality. So I'll start off with this. Yo, I back up my brain to a hard drive and store it. Jump in my car, put it drive, then I floor it. Must hurry up, top will cost, can't afford it. Holding up a cup, I got the juice, now I pour it. I'ma need it now, time is running out, can't be scared now. It's up to me to try to control the crowd. Am I capable of holding your attention? This will be the test of the success, grab me a pension. I need to make a living, forgiven, forbidden, I'm winning, I did it, I'm losing, confusing, sinning. So here I am to be the man, I cannot fall, I need to stand, I'm driven, the rhythm, flipping. Just want you to understand my mission and vision, collisions and submission from competition, affliction, wishing, petition, position for proposition, decision, scared of my vision, addiction, incision, tradition, diction, encryption, no restrictions. You can drop that. Check. I go by Split Personality, I got an album out, Bless My God, Curse My Man, you can find it online, iTunes, Amazon. Check. This goes out to all my ill people out there. Check. Walk with it, come on, take a walk with me. Walk through the woods, walk through the hood swiftly. Walk through the darkness until the light lifts me. Might be the mark of the way out of the whiskey. Shifty, go down pretty and grinding. Too old for the mainstream, they'll probably never sign me. I don't really care, I'm just doing this independently. I'm a demon that went until I get my heart back. Through this music, I'm immortal. Walk through a portal with total rocks. Faster than the speed of light. For the top, we never stop it. Poppin', rockin', everybody's steady rockin'. That's why all my people up on into this makes me hoppin'. Dancing all around while they're not losing their minds. I stimulate your brain with my words intertwine. With the thoughts you process, I'm the lock and monster. When you're at my show, please go walk this. Where my ill people, where my ill people at? Where my ill people, where my ill people at? Where my ill people, where my ill people at? If you're real ill, then you gotta feel me. Where my ill people, where my ill people at? Where my ill people, where my ill people at? Where my ill people, where my ill people at? If you're real ill, then you gotta feel me. To understand me, you must understand this. I've been rocking the struggles for rappers on the track list. Don't mistake me for these phonies. I was doing this waiting for me. I'll be people acting fucking rappers on the actors. I'ma tell you why you haven't heard it. If you haven't, why never be not? Why my body shake back? Because the way I think you must let me from the state where I'm able to prove myself to every label. I've been having a passion for rappers since my 91. When I was younger, I was saying I saw the sun in the sun. Been obsessed with silence and rappers and fans. So no, I really copy my style. This is not pretend, this is the real deal. Ill skill, hope I never have to kill. That the situation never come on. I just got the chill, but then you provoke and I'll turn them out. This is time when I said I'll split personality, I wasn't lying. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. If you're real ill, then you gotta feel me. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. I'm killing with the mic, I don't even have to fight. I just grab a mic, so flip this for all you tight sight. You don't want me back and now you get up like you cut the mic. And I'm talking about the night and you're so dark you lose your sight. It doesn't matter cause you're blind anyway, so you can't see me. Why you even look this way? You must have heard my golden voice and fire spray. That y'all be attentive for my gamble way. Only the illest gonna kill this to finish survival. That's what I still alive, I never run out of my rock. I'm ripping my spit rings, I'm free like this outside. I'm living my sex, skipping the wild. All my real people that are ill, they will kill me. All the haters that are jealous, they will try to kill me. But I'ma do what I gotta do while I'm still here. They don't know the end is near. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. If you're real ill, then you gotta feel me. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. With my ill people, with my ill people back. If you're real ill, then you gotta feel me. Split personality, yo. Peace to everyone in the building tonight. Peace to everyone that's gonna be rocking after me. Peace to the Universal Zulu Nation.
Make some noise, pay that respect, y'all. Let's get it. So yeah, let's get it. I think I'm more awake now. I was fucking unconscious.